In this video, we're going to continue topic 2.9. We're going to work through example 2. So we're going to find the equation of the tangent line to y equals e to the x plus 1 or over 1 plus x squared, and then they give us a point 1 e over 2. We're going to start by identifying our red function, which is our numerator, and our green function, which is our denominator. I'm going to start by taking that derivative because we know to get an equation of a tangent line, we need a point and we need a slope. We have a point. We need to get the slope. To get the slope, we have to take the derivative. So y prime equals, I'm going to take the derivative of my numerator, which is e to the x, and then keep my denominator the way it is, 1 plus x squared. We know our operation subtraction. I keep my numerator the way it is. I take the derivative of my denominator, which is 2x, all over my denominator squared. Then I am going to, I'm not going to try to simplify that because I'm having to plug in a value. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug that value in. So we're going to plug in the 1. So y prime equals e to the first times 1 plus 1 squared minus e to the first times 2 times 1 over 1 plus 1 squared squared. Right, and we're trying to find the slope of this line. So I know that 1 squared is 1, plus 1 would be 2, so I get 2e. And then we have 2 times 1 is 2, times e would be 2e, but it's minus. Then my denominator is 1 squared is 1, plus 1 is 2, and then I square all of that, and I get 4. So it looks like my numerator cancels, but there's still a 1 on top, so I end up with 1/4 as my slope. And then, oh no, I take that back. It's not 1 on the top, it's 0 on the top. So it's 0 over 4, which is a 0 slope. All right, now I'm going to put that into my equation of my tangent line, which remember is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So just point slope form. I'm going to put in my y value. My y value looks a little crazy. It's e over 2. My slope is 0. And my x value is the 1. And that is perfectly acceptable to leave it that way. You may see them write it out a little bit more. We know that this side here is going to actually be 0. So it'd be y minus e over 2 equals 0. And then I could add that e over 2 because remember, e is just a number. So it's really the number e over 2 to the other side.